Hi, welcome to a Curve tutorial video. My name is Natan Cohen. I'm the head of customer success here at Curve, and in this video we're going to show you how to do date-based comparisons on the metrics that you add to table charts. Now, if you're not familiar with how comparisons work, we also have a tutorial video for metric comparisons, and it's pretty much the same feature, but this video we're going to cover how to build them in table charts. So let's begin. So I'm going to go into my employee sales performance data set so that we can compare different metrics based on account. And I'm going to start by adding a chart, and I'm going to add a table chart, and I'm going to keep it very simple. Okay, I'm just going to add one grouping field, and it's going to be account number, just so we can see the date comparison feature clearly. But I'm going to have a few metrics. First, I'm just going to add a line total, which would be total sales by account. I'll do something like average freight. And then perhaps maybe we'll just do a count of order IDs. All right, so I've got a few metrics here. Now, the comparison feature, just like metric charts, is under the comparison folder here. So you'll expand that, and just like for metric charts, it also accepts a single date time field. And for this, we're going to use order date. All right, I'm going to compare this year to last year. Okay. Now, you'll notice that I've been making some changes to the chart, but it doesn't look like anything is happening to the chart. And that's because, unlike in metric charts where you just have one aggregate to measure, in table charts you can have n number of aggregates to measure. So in order to see something, you need to add a comparison column and be explicit about what you want it to compare. So we'll start with sales order ID. Now you'll notice the up and down arrows. You can choose to display in the tooltip whether you want to show the difference as a percentage or as a number. You can control the arrow directions, the arrow colors, and you can also choose not to show the value if you want a very concise table just showing quickly at a glance whether the trend is up or down, and users can always hover over the arrow to get the actual value. Okay, so now what we're going to do is add two more comparison columns. Add one for freight, and we're going to add one for line total. Last thing I'm going to do is make sure that I'm displaying all of my data. So by default, I will be limited to 50 groups. So what I'm going to do is go under General, and I'm going to find Max Groups, and I'm going to set this to 1,000, even though I know I have fewer than 1,000 accounts. Okay, and now that I have that, I'm going to save this off. And here's my full table comparison group report. So that's how you create date-based comparisons with table charts. Thanks for watching.